Tax files are version specific. You cannot open a 2015 return with the 2024 TurboTax software. It will reject it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the workaround to view your old return. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for TAX2015 files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. The TAX2015 file is a highly proprietary document used by Intuit TurboTax software. It contains all user-entered tax information, calculations, schedules, and filing data for the 2015 tax year. Its sole function is securely storing tax records for review and submission. Developed by Intuit, the format is closed source and version specific, tied to the 2015 tax year schema. The file is highly encrypted to protect sensitive financial data. It is only accessible and usable by the corresponding Intuit TurboTax application version and is unusable by any standard document or spreadsheet software. Your first application to test with TAX2015 should be Intuit TurboTax from Intuit, Inc. The file's visual data is accessible but requires specialized software for metadata reading. Windows gives a simple file-level view, but understanding the data requires specialized software. Your most effective first step: right-click the TAX2015 file and select Open With. If Intuit TurboTax is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Keep testing until the file becomes accessible. If the TAX2015 file won't open, don't panic. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, install the correct program. You must have the original TurboTax 2015 downloaded program installed on your computer to open the file. Next, update the program. After installation, update the 2015 program and install any state programs you had before attempting to open the file. Finally, use PDF backup. If the program is unavailable, access your prior year returns on the TurboTax website and download the official PDF copy for viewing/printing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.